Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. So in this video we are going to do the unboxing video about what I bought to Pop Mart in Central World, Bangkok, Thailand. So if you are familiar to my channel, guys, I did unboxing video many times about Pop Mart, and before I am one of the collectors of the plush toys, pendant toy, but now I am into figures. So I went there and I saw this one, the Disney princess figures. This one, guys, is blind box figures. So I think this one is a limited edition only, because I went to other Pop Mart stores in Bangkok. They said that they don't have it and it's only limited. So because I want to buy two or more of this one. So guys, this one is blind box, and it says create your world, and in front of the box it's Belle, but I don't know if it's inside is Belle. So here there are for a 12 figures and one secret figures. So let me read. This one is Pocahontas Journey, Tiana Breaks the Curse, then Moana's Destination, Mulan Takes Up Arms, Cinderella's Midnight Magic, Ariel's Under the Sea, and Belle's Takes Off Friendship. Next is Aurora in the Dream, and Merinda's Challenge. Next one is Snow White Sweet Time, and then Jasmine New World, and the last one is Dance with Rapunzel. So, and Secret. So if you ask me what I want to get, I want to get Snow White or Cinderella, and maybe Belle. Only 3. Alright, so I am excited to open this one. This, guys, is 480 baht, I think. I can't remember because I lose the receipt, but this one is 480 baht and it's quite heavy. So let's open. I am very excited. So here, I will not take the picture. I will take first the blind box. Oy. So here, let me take first the one that it's, because there is a silicone inside, and I have dogs. I'm afraid that they take this one because it says do not eat. Alright. So this one, guys. So make something fun. It's quite big inside. Oh, I'm very excited. I regretted that I didn't buy 2 of this or 3 of this. So let me open. Oh, So this one, it's rough. So let me... So guys, if you take this out in the plastic, you will see like this. So it's properly wrapped. Good job, Pop Mart. So I think this one is a glass. Yeah, this one is a glass. Oh, I am so excited. What is it? That's why it's expensive, quite expensive to the figures. Because usually figures cost only 380 baht. I don't know in peso or I don't know in dollar. But in Thai baht, it's 380 baht. But this one is, yeah, this one is Bell. Oh, no. Ah, so let me open. Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. This one is Jasmine. So I get Jasmine. Jasmine's New World. So this one like this, and then you put the glass. So wow, I love it. Let me close. So like that. So nice. There is a... So it's so nice, guys. Alright, so where is the picture? There is a picture inside the box. Let me take it out. Alright, so Jasmine's New World. Yeah. Alright, guys, so this is what I've got to the blind box figures of Disney Princess Create Your World. I am very happy even though I didn't get Snow White, Belle, or Cinderella because it's quite heavy and it's beautiful. So that's all for today, guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So see you again to my next unboxing video about Pop Mart figures. Bye!